Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Wonder food delivery app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Wonder is a premium food delivery app that redefines at-home dining by delivering freshly prepared meals from top restaurants directly to your doorstep. Unlike traditional delivery services that transport pre-cooked food, Wonder's concept involves mobile kitchens where chefs finish cooking meals near your location, ensuring restaurant-quality freshness upon arrival. It's available on both iOS and Android and currently operates in select cities with a growing network of partner restaurants. The app's main feature is its chef-on-the-go cooking model, which maintains food quality, temperature, and flavor consistency. Users can browse restaurant menus, customize orders, and schedule deliveries. Wonder also provides real-time order tracking and secure digital payments, making the process smooth and reliable. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the freshness, flavor quality, and consistency of meals compared to standard delivery apps. The app interface is modern and intuitive, and customer service receives high praise for timely communication and order updates. However, there are a few drawbacks. Wonder's availability is currently limited to specific regions, and its pricing is higher than typical delivery apps due to the chef-prepared model. Additionally, wait times can vary depending on local demand and kitchen schedules. In summary, the Wonder app may be worth using if you value restaurant-quality meals cooked fresh near you and don't mind paying extra for premium service. However, if you're seeking a budget-friendly or widely available delivery option, traditional apps might serve you better. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.